It's December 1st, 2011. This is Doug Jessup. This is my house in Centerville, Utah, which had a horrendous windstorm. Trees falling down. Let's see what else damage we've got here. Still having a windstorm. So we've got some damage up in the garage. Shingles really took a beating. Like you can see shingles all over the floor and everything. See, there's some more shingle damage. Coming closer to the house. A window busted out. The pressure. Even this tree got bent down. See more of the shingle damage. We also have a little siding. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this is tar paper. Now let's look on this side. Whoa! Okay, we do have some siding damage there in the garage. Again, that's looking out. Here flashing. The light is actually on its side. Looking here on the side here, some shingle damage up the top. Huge amount of debris. It's like a fence got beat up a bit. It's also kind of leaning now. Let's see if I can even get in here. Whoa. Okay, so we're okay there, but we got lots of debris around here. Oh my, look at this debris field. We got neighbors' trash cans, our trash cans. Here's the biggest issue. Our fence is gone. Literally gone. Here's this siding fence. The cap here blew off. So there's that, but there was a wood fence there. Oh, here's a little tiny bit. That's literally all that's left. You can kind of see here. More damage. It just keeps going. This wood fence got just absolutely annihilated. Came down here. This is our peach tree. Peach tree's got some damage there. The fence is obviously busted up. In fact, the fence apparently blew over here. Somebody's siding. This is pretty bad. This is massive. So, fun, wonderful Utah weather here in Centerville, Utah. So let's see if I can clean this up and get back to normal, huh? And it looks like we got siding, we got shingles, all kinds of stuff. Yeehaw.